In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 2, and let me show you how to block a number on this phone. So whenever you would like to block some unknown caller, you need to open your phone dialer, then reach contacts, tap on more icon and click on settings. And here mark block numbers. You can either block all unknown callers now by using the stop switcher, or you can add a phone number manually by yourself. So just provide the number that you would like to block and click on block. So from now on, this number will not be able to reach you. Whenever you would like to delete this blockade, just tap on cross icon and click on unblock. You can also block some particular contact of yours. So let me just open, for example, Tina, tap on settings, and here you will notice block numbers. Click on block, and from now on she is blocked. Here you've got the icon, and obviously whenever you would like to release this blockade, tap on more and unblock it. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.